Hey guys, I found a tool where you can get the editable Figma design from any of the website. For example, I have this product page. I need this in my Figma as an editable design. I will copy the URL and paste it right here. And currently, I'm getting the desktop design. So after a few moments, I will have the Figma design automatically on my clipboard, and I will just go to the Figma and press Command V on the Mac, and you can see here I pressed the Command V, and you can see this is the editable Figma design in seconds. So you can see if I need to edit, you can see this font is present, not present in the Figma. I can select any of the font from here, and I can just edit the design from here. And similarly, maybe if I need to edit using the Figma agents, I will use this, improve the UX, and it will be working in the background. So you can see some of the layers are not very good. So you can just play around with these, and the layers will be fixed. So you can see also the header is now at the bottom, but you can play around with them to place the items in their place. So for example, the height is now full. You can hug the contents to make it better. So here I need to maybe um, manage the missing fonts. So, but you get the idea. I'm just selecting the random fonts right now, but you can see that I applied the Figma agents right from here. Okay, now yes, proceed despite the font issue. So it's still in progress, but you get the idea. Okay, so now if I need to get the mobile design, I will just select the mobile right from here and select convert. And okay, so you can see the UX is this job is finished by the agent. Now let's wait some moments to get the mobile design. Okay, this tool is not 100% correct. It sometimes spits out different kind of layers, so that you don't need. But in most of the cases, it works very well. So, for example, if the page has a lots of different nested HTML elements, then it will be not working as good as on the simple pages. So you can see I am arranging the header and all this stuff. You need to play around with this to get the better result. So I hope you get the idea. You can see I have the desktop design and the mobile design in minutes. Uh, and all these pages are editable. You can see we can edit any of the section using the um, AI agents. So I hope you like this video. Just give it a try. I will, you will like this. Thank you.